The International Day of the World's Indigenous People is celebrated on August 9. The number of indigenous people in the world fluctuates between 300 and 370 million over 70 countries in the world. The International Day of the World's Indigenous People was first celebrated in 1994 with the intention of strengthening international cooperation. This year's International Day of the World's Indigenous People is a day of reflection dedicated to health. Due to its diversity, the United Nations does not have an official definition for the term indigenous, but describes it as a community that should show its historic continuity with pre-colonial societies, conserve its language, culture and beliefs, maintain and reproduce its environment and ancestral system. Affected by environmental degradation and pollution, the indigenous communities often live in extreme poverty and have less access to health services in comparison to other populations. According to the World Health Organization, the death rate among indigenous children in Panama is 3 times higher than the rest, with 60 deaths per every 1,000 births. In Vietnam, over 60% of indigenous children are born without having antenatal care. In the whole world, over 50% of indigenous adults over 35 years old or older suffer from type 2 diabetes. In China, the Ethnic Minority Identification Project has officially recognized 55 ethnic minority groups within its territory. These 55 groups have a population of approximately 113.8 million, accounting for some 8.5% of the total.